Hello YouTube, thank you for joining Crypto Yacht Club for another technical analysis video. We're looking at Tron trading against Bitcoin, that's TRX against BTC with Binance's data here. Let's get right into it. As we described yesterday, if you were looking to get into Tron, if you weren't already in, you couldn't have gotten a better place to get in at. At this point, it's been so oversold that, as we described, from the 2000 level all the way down to the 400 level. That's about what is that? That's 75-80% sold. So yes, with that being said, we said if you didn't have some, we would get in. Not much lower you can go, as the support you could see went all the way back to the December New Year's range here, and even if we go back, it went really all the way back to its first little breakout it had here back on December 13th, when it was at that 42 Satoshi range. And if you could see that, quite a big deal back then, and it became nothing here. So that's that support right there, and that's why we had a buy order in between the 400 to the 400 range, even before we broke down. So as you can see, its low here was about 390, so up to 480-ish, it was a definite buy, and that paid out. So when we broke our resistance here at the 560 level, it went really strong up. At this point, if you did take some profits here, which you obviously did, at that 40 to 60% range, it is really up to you if you'd like to, unload at least 50% now and hold the rest and put a stop in. However, if you are in for the long term, we do believe Tron will be a good performer over the next medium range term. And by medium, we mean about a month. So with that being said, right now what we're looking for is a breakout all the way back to the 1000 range. And from that point on, we will see what type of pattern will be formed. There is a strong possibility it will retrace back down to the 750 at that point, but let's take it a day at a time. Overall, we don't see any resistance really formed. If we actually draw a trend line here and try to see what's going on, this is the next real point of resistance from this peak here. And if we get up nice and close in there, let's take a look. Yes, so right now we are trying to retrace back here to the 760 range, which we see is very likely. At that point, it's going to be a battle, but if we do break through like we did with this right here, we don't see a problem at retracing all the way back to the 1000 range, as shown here. With that being said, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. If you have any particular altcoins or cryptocurrencies you'd like us to do a technical analysis on here at Crypto Yacht Club, please let us know. We'll love to do that for you, and we will get back to you actually within the hour. With that being said, thank you so much, and have yourselves a wonderful day and night.